It's that time of the year again where I decided to buy some more air plants, and of course I had to buy from Airplant Hub because they got some awesome stuff. In this video, I'm going to show you guys what the mystery box came with, and I have some other stuff in there too. Let's go. What's going on, my plant people? I am the ADHD gardener, where I use gardening, houseplants, and humor as a form of mental health therapy. And of course, I had to order more air plants. Now, the reason why I ordered more air plants this time is because I have a project in mind for these air plants. Now, as you can see here, I have a bunch of pine tree branches. Now, when I first saw these, I knew that I can do something with them. So what I'm going to be doing in the future is actually creating some sort of stand or decorative piece to hold these air plants that I got just for them. So stay tuned for that one. That is going to be awesome. I ordered 3 different things from Airplant Hub. The first one was going to be some cute Pokemon planters. The second one was actually the mystery box itself. And the third one was just a regular air plant by itself, because I knew that I wanted that for that project that I'm going to be building. So let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, that is freaking beautiful. Wow. This is going to go really good with that project that I have in mind. Oh my. Wow. Okay, hold up. Oh my God, this is so nice. Yo, oh my gosh, bro, this is nice. I don't know how many times I've said that. Wow, this one is so legit, bro. What? This one is so legit. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Look at this one. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so nice against those natural logs that I have here. Ooh, this is gonna look so good. This is the Zero Graphica. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Look at that. It's big. It is so big. Oh my goodness. Look how large that is. That is huge. Look at that. Wow. I've done other air plant unboxings as well as DIY projects for those air plants. So if you haven't checked them already, I'm going to drop them up here and down below so you can go check that out. But this is going to be for the next project. What? Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Okay, moving on. Oh man, this was nice. A curly slim. Look at that. Isn't that cool? That is really cool. This could have been the one that I ordered separately. Oh, I don't remember. So I had to go back and look into my order receipt to make sure I figured out which one was which. Now this curly slim right here, I bought this one separately by itself. This curly slim, this is gonna open up and it's gonna curl out really nicely. So this one is really cute. Look at it. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This one by itself was like 35 bucks. I know, a little pricey, very pricey. So that means I'm gonna have to be very mindful, pay attention. Damn that mindfulness. I know, I'm always talking about it, but this is really gonna have to come into play now, because I'm not gonna waste a $35 air plant and to only let it die. I can't. Now this one's a Sparkler XL. I'm assuming the XL is because of the size of it. But, oh man, I have a smaller one of this one, but it's nice to see what it will look like when it grows up, to get a little bit bigger. This is nice. This is really nice. Okay. Ah, man, this one's cool too. I think I had another version of this as well. I could have died because, you know, I'm a little on the forgetful side to water my stuff. Ah, now I've had this one too also, but unfortunately they died because I was not mindful and I was not paying attention to them drying out. This is why plants are considered such a good form of therapy, because they're teaching us how to be mindful and they're teaching us how to pay attention to our plants. If we don't pay attention to them, they'll die. Of course, because I've killed them all because I was not paying attention, I'm glad I got another one. This one's a nice size too. Now this large mystery box that I ordered was $35 as well. So this one is not bad, especially for the size and variety of these. That was a good deal. But now let's see what that planter looks like. I had to get it because I love Pokemon. You can never be too old for Pokemon, let me tell you. Oh, they're so cute and tiny. This has to be for baby propagations or for the air plants itself. Oh, I'm having ideas. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Dude, it's a baby Bulbasaur. How cool is that? Oh my gosh, that is so nice. Oh, this is gonna be cute for an air plant. Hold up. Hey, check that out. All right, that one looks actually pretty good too. I can go for a little smaller one in there, but that works. Oh man, that's cute. All right, let's see what else we got. I got one more. Oh, look how cute that is. They're so tiny. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, I love them. Now keep in mind that the air plants have gone through a long shipment process. So when you do get them and you open them up, they could be or possibly dried up a little bit and in need of a soaking. So I would suggest after opening them up, give these plants a good soaking. I would say at least a half hour, 15 to 20 minutes minimum, but at least a good half hour. The larger the air plant, you could be soaking them more. In the first air plant video I did, I gave a lot more instructions on how to mess with these air plants. I'll drop it down below so you can go check that one out. Now I know these air plants came a little late this time, but I'm assuming all because of the, postal service. Also, my box came a little banged up though, but I wasn't worried because I knew the air plants was gonna come through clutch and give me some good plants as they always do. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to decorate with these plants. It is gonna look really good, especially against that natural wood that I have here. So stay tuned in the future for that DIY build. Let me know down in the comments below, have you messed with air plants before? And if you haven't, are you considering it? I think these air plants are an awesome addition to your plant collection. And you know what the best part about it is? They don't require any soil at all. Now that was a win-win for me. I hope you enjoyed this video and you really got a kick out of these air plants, man. These are some really cool stuff. I hope you enjoyed this video and you really got something out of it and you really enjoyed these plants. And if you did enjoy this video and you want to show me some love, then don't forget to smash that like button. I really appreciate it. Also, if you haven't already, then consider subscribing. I drop a video every week and then some in between. Don't forget to hit that notification bell because if you don't hit that, then you won't know I'm dropping a video. Last but not least, you can catch me on Facebook and Instagram. I'm on there all the time. I drop some funny memes, a little DIY projects, and a little on the personal side. So until the next episode, my plant-obsessed people, keep growing one day at a time, one plant at a time. I'll see you in the next episode. Peace and love.